During the November lockdown, the new strain, the English variant, seemed to be spreading within school children.
Άκρως ανησυχητικά είναι όσα είπε στο Open ο καθηγητής στο Πανεπιστήμιο Ανατολικής Αγγλίας Πολ Χάντερ για τη βρετανική μετάλλαξη, την αυξημένη μεταδοτικότητά της στα παιδιά όλων των ηλικιών και για το πώς αυτό μπορεί να προκαλέσει έκρηξη της πανδημίας.
Particularly 10 to 14, 15 to 19-year-olds. Since then, though, the English variant has spread pretty much equally throughout all age groups.
Has the effectiveness of the vaccines decreased due to mutations?
The South African variant, there is some small reduction in the effectiveness of vaccine. The South African variant has the same mutation that makes it more infectious, like the English variant, that makes it a bit more resistant to vaccine. The vaccine doesn't work, but people don't get quite the same level of protection.
Is the Russian vaccine safe and effective?
Shows that the vaccine is actually very good, 90% efficacy, doesn't need to be stored in really cold conditions. Providing that the Russians can produce enough of the vaccine, it will be an extremely valuable vaccine that can be used around the entire world.
Ο διακεκριμένος καθηγητής τονίζει ότι πρόσφατες μελέτες δείχνουν ότι η βρετανική μετάλλαξη μπορεί να είναι πιο θανατηφόρα και μπορεί να προκαλέσει σοβαρές επιπλοκές.
The English variant is certainly more infectious. There is some evidence that it might actually be a bit more deadly as well, but at the moment we're not absolutely sure. But there's studies going on